Hey everybody, we're at my mom and my spare dad's house in Sulphur, Louisiana. We've been playing this game for the last 5 years or so, and we wanted to show you the rules and tools how to play, and it's called Rocket Golf. The first thing you need is a pack of Rocket Copters. You can get these at Dick's Sporting Goods or on Amazon, but make sure you get the Rocket Copter brand. They do have a flimsy set on Amazon that are just absolute trash. Do not buy those. Make sure you get these. The second thing you need for Rocket Golf is a target. This is what you'll be aiming for every single hole you play. We have a little snowman for Christmas Classic. Thanksgiving we do a turkey, and Easter is usually an egg. You know, keep it in theme.
So the last tool you'll need, and possibly the most important for Rocket Golf, is a cooler full of beer. Most people have golf carts, but since ours is currently in the shop, getting a custom footprint gas pedal installed, we gotta use this little jewel. Now, unfortunately, someone always has to carry the beer cooler. Guy on the first hole is gonna be your loser from last year's tournament. Now, whoever loses the first hole gets to take it from there, and so on and so forth. So here we are set up on hole number 1's tee box. As the first guy to design the first hole, you can do whatever you like. The target is a straight shot, roughly 120 yards away, give or take. But in between me and the target, I can decide if we go between these trees, over the house, or I can choose any obstacle in between me and that target. Once everybody understands that, we tee off. For the sake of this video and kicking this off, we're just gonna go straight at it. That's my drive, and now the guys will follow me up, and we'll go from there. All right, this is my third shot. You can see the target right over there. If you're as good as me, you'll probably hit it. Oh, just a little short. We'll chip in for a par. Oh, that's gonna cost me. It's gonna cost me. All right, guys, once you get close enough, if you think you can make it, you don't have to use a launcher. You can get close enough and hand throw it. That's all you gotta do. So on this hole, hole number 1, the cameraman got the lowest score. What that means is he gets to pick the next hole, which means where we start, any obstacles between the starting point and the target. If we gotta go through some trees, around, over a house, whatever he decides, we gotta follow suit. And then whoever gets the lowest score in that hole will get to decide the next one, so on and so forth until the game is over.
So those are basically the rules. You can get creative as you like, but at the end of the day, it's all about fun. It's all about just having a good time with your friends and family. But more importantly, it's about this, the sweet, sweet gold, being named Rocket Golf Champion.